I want to forgive some people, but I have a hard time doing that. Always I get reminded of what they told about me. How do I restrain myself from such thoughts? This is a classical case of shaitan's whispering. And why do we get these whispers? Because this is our test from Allah. I always repeat and say this. Everybody has their own test, catered for them. So some people get tests by abusive people, saying things about them, and it haunts them to the rest of their lives. Others get tested with illnesses, a heart attack, a stroke, cancer, etc. And they have to live with that till the rest of their lives. Others are tested in their security. Others are tested in their family, in their loved ones. Others, and this is the most severe test, are tested in their own religion, whether they remain steadfast or not. So this is what Allah is testing you by. So it's up to you whether to embrace it, accept it, and live with it, or that you live in pain and agony and the desire to avenge yourself and to get even, filling your heart with things that corrupts it and kills it, such as envy, hatred, enmity. Always remember, treat people as you wish Allah to treat you. You forgive them, Allah will forgive you. And this is a fact. Don't worry about what people say. Don't worry about how bad you feel inside. Sometimes you get these imbeciles, ignorant people who come to you and say, don't hold back. Express yourself. Let your anger show. Move on with it. No, this is wrong. You have to suppress your anger, your feeling of hatred and enmity. Have a clean heart to everybody. You live longer, you live better, and Allah would forgive your sins for that.